What's in the box? A rocket! Just like the one that goes into space. And we blast off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye, rocket! Oh, look! There's our rocket. It's in outer space. What's that? You want to follow the rocket to see where it goes? Yeah, let's do it. First on our list is Mercury. It is the closest planet to the sun. Ooh, anybody hot in here? Ooh. Next up is Venus. It's also really hot. Woo, getting toasty in here. And then we have our home, our favorite planet, Earth. Woo! There's the International Space Station. Hi, astronauts from all over the world. Hi. Oh, look, there's Mars. Look at how red it is. Wow. Oh no, we're going through the asteroid belt. Oh, look out for that rock. And that one. And oh, excuse me. Sorry, Mr. Rock. Bye. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Excuse me. Woo, we made it. And now, here we are at the biggest planet in our solar system. It's Jupiter. And one of my favorite planets, it's Saturn. Look at those rings. And next on our list is Uranus. Wow, that's cool. And here comes Neptune. Oh, it's the furthest planet from the sun. It's cold. And there's our solar system. Wow, it's cool. And look, there's our entire galaxy. Wow, that is amazing. This trip has been so much fun. But I think I'm ready to go home. You too? Yeah. Here we go. Whoa! Woo! We made it. Back to planet Earth. And look, here's my house. That's a perfect landing. Thanks for opening the box with me. Come back again soon, and I'll see you next time. Bye.